Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I have a different kind of video for you. I'm going to show you how I organize my fridge. I think cooking and keeping your fridge organized go hand in hand, and I cook a lot, so keeping my fridge organized enables me to have a stress-free cooking experience. Before we get started, don't forget you guys, I upload recipe videos every single Saturday, so make sure you have your bell notification on. Now let's get started. So I haven't organized my fridge in a while and we are going to get this job done. So here's the before of my fridge. As you can see, there's no system of organization going on here. Everything is very messy, and I really hope this video motivates some of you to get up and organize your fridge. So the first step in fridge organization is to clean out your fridge and discard all unwanted items. You can choose to organize your fridge one shelf at a time, but I chose to empty out the entire fridge and organize everything at once. You just have to work really quick so your food don't stay out too long. So once the fridge was empty, I used a cleaning solution and paper towel to clean the entire fridge. If your shelves are really dirty and hard to wipe down, you're gonna have to take them out and wash them with soap and warm water. Once we have the entire fridge all cleaned out, it's time to return the items, and the idea here is to group like items together. I grouped like items together as I took them out of the fridge to make things easier, and I also cleaned any dirty items before they went into the fridge. Moreover, I put together a diagram to help me strategize exactly where in the fridge to put the items, and this really helped me save time. I also purchased some fridge organizers. I don't know if you guys can see, but these are really good because they help save space. So finally, this is the overview of the organized fridge. It looks a lot better than before. I'm going to take you through each shelf and I'll give you my thought process on the organization. So let's start from the top shelf. I have all my milk products here. Make sure you keep your milk on the shelf versus on the door because the temperature on the door can fluctuate and your milk can go bad. Next to that, I have my coffee creamers and some dairy products stored in a bin, and I love how I can pull and grab something from behind without tossing things around. Everything stays put. Also, as you can see, all these are like products, so it's easier to find things. You also want to store the most used items in front for easy access. On the next shelf, I have my eggs and egg whites. Eggs do better on the second or middle shelves because the temperatures there are very consistent. I stored my eggs in these egg containers because the original cartons are way too big, they take way too much space. These are stackable and they save a lot of space. Next to the eggs, I stored all our yogurt and the kids' yogurt as well. Again, you can easily pull, grab from behind and put it right back. You can also label the shelves, that way your kids and husband know to put things where they belong, right? The next shelf, I have all the soft cheese. I love cream cheese. I get them in all flavors. I have the marmalade and jam in here. Anything that is spreadable on bread can be found in this bin. The drawer below that, I have all the lunch meat and the cheese. Makes it convenient to put together a quick sandwich. Plus, this drawer is slightly colder than the rest of the fridge, so these items do best in here. Normally, I keep this entire area for my leftovers, but I had some extra fruits that I needed to keep cold. But if it's possible, leave an entire shelf for leftovers, that way you can see them and consume them before they go bad. The drawer right below that is where I keep all my vegetables. This drawer has high humidity and vegetables stay fresh and longer with a bit of humidity, so keep them right in here. The bottom drawer is very cold and that's where raw meat goes. Also, since you're on the bottom, in case juices drip, they won't contaminate your entire fridge. Now onto the door, I use the fridge's built-in compartments to store all the canned drinks, and down here I have all the orange juice. These drinks don't need any strict temperature requirements, so they're okay on the door. And right below that, I have all the salad dressings. These are my favorite salad dressings, you guys. I love Caesar salad, and this bacon ranch is so good. You gotta try it. Some sour cream. I love sour cream on potatoes. And guys, if you want your sour cream to last longer, you gotta turn it upside down because that creates a vacuum effect to prevent the growth of bacteria. Right below that, I have all the sauces. These do great on the door because they're less temperature sensitive items. So this is my fridge organization. It feels really good, you guys. I am very happy with the result, and I highly recommend you guys put a system in place for yours. And by the way, if you guys would love to see a pantry organization, let me know in the comments. Alright you guys, that's it for my fridge organization. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know what other videos you would love to see. I'll see you on Saturday. Bye!